Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Volume with square cross-sections looks scary, but this one collapses fast if you track the side length using Y instead of X. Since slices are perpendicular to the y-axis, each square side is the horizontal width of the base region at height y, from x equals 0 to y equals x cubed. Solve that curve for x, so x equals the cube root of y, and that width becomes the square's side length, making each cross-sectional area equal to y raised to 2/3. Now integrate from y equals 0 to 8. Integral of y to the 2/3 dy equals 96/5. So the answer is option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Don't rush signs or setup. Trust the given region and check each step before integrating.